Hi, this is Eric with Parts Hacked, and today we're going to show you how to replace the float housing on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The float housing is part of the dishwasher's float assembly. The float raises and lowers with the water level of the dishwasher. The float triggers the float switch to prevent the dishwasher from overfilling with water. If the float assembly fails, the dishwasher may not properly sense the water level inside the dishwasher, which can cause the dishwasher not to fill with water properly. If you need a new float housing for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, we'll need to remove the access panel, which is held in place by these two retainers. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left, releasing the locking mechanism. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. The float switch is located here in the float housing. To remove, pinch the locking tabs on the housing doors together and swing them open. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab and slide the switch up and out of the retaining slot. Lift the actuator arm up and out. Gently bend the lower portion of the float up and over the retaining tab on the housing. Then, open the dishwasher's door. Pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. With access to the inside of the dishwasher, lift the float up and out. Then, remove the overfill protection nut using an adjustable wrench. Line the thread on the float housing to the hole on the bottom of the dishwasher and gently press it through. Now, carefully pull the gasket off of the housing. If you need to purchase a new float housing, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the housing through the gasket, being sure that the gasket seats beneath the threads. Then, insert the float housing into the hole on the dishwasher's frame. With access inside the dishwasher, install the overfill protection nut. Be careful not to over-tighten, as doing so can damage the float assembly. Next, align the float to the retaining slot on the base of the dishwasher's housing and press it into place. Ensure the lower portion of the float is seated on this side of the retainer on the housing. Align the wheels on the lower rack to the tracks on the door and set it in place. Then, push it back into the dishwasher and close the door. Now, align the float switch to the prongs on the housing and press it into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector and route the wire beneath the retainer. Align the actuator arm to the prongs on the float housing so that the shorter end touches the switch and set in place. Then, close the housing doors. Now, insert the access panel at an angle. Then, align the notches on the access panel to the slots on the frame and press into place. Align the access panel retainers to the notches on the access panel so that they are oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Finally, turn them to the right so that they are orientated vertically, securing the access panel in place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.